everybody, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is a dip, so that means you could use it for Taco Tuesday as well. It is a cheesy sausage dip with Rotel, and my mom made some modifications, of course, because of her allergies, so you can see that in her video, but she's also going to put the original recipe in the description box below. You can see that one as well. It was delicious. We really enjoyed it. So you should give this one a try. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog out.
All right, so as Yoda said, we're making cheesy sausage dip with Rotel. So we've got a pound of Jimmy Dean regular pork sausage in there that when you get done halfway through browning it, you add in a half a cup of chopped onion. We're using frozen onion and 2 cloves of garlic, which equals 1 teaspoon of garlic. So we're gonna stir that together, let it finish browning, and then I'll show you what to add next. All right, so if you can have dairy Velveeta, it's supposed to be 16 ounces of Velveeta you cube and add to this, but since I can't, we have Daya cheese sauce. It's vegan, and we have 2 of those pouches in there, plus this BioLife Mexican style vegan cheese shreds. So that's gonna go in there and melt. Then you need a can of Rotel, so undrained, do not drain it, and then half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and then finally, if you want, some chives. So that's what I've got in there. We're gonna stir it up, let it all melt, and then I'll show you the finished product. Okay, so this is the finished product. It's all melted together, and I tried it and it tastes really good. So I recommend you guys give it a try as well. You can use it for Taco Tuesday, not just the Monday meal. So enjoy. Happy Monday. Say bye, Yoda. Bye, everybody.